English language conventions. Verb tense. Irregular past tense. ACT foundations. Question 26. Me medicine. Antidote your ignorance. ACT English Foundation. Verb tense. Question 26. Complete the sentence with the verb in the past tense. My mother finally blank her house yesterday. The task here is to shift the tense of sell to its past tense verb form. Here's what I need you to understand. Most verbs are regular in the past tense. That means you follow a rule like add ed or add d to get the past tense form of the verb. Some verbs are irregular in the past tense. That means you don't follow a rule. Instead, you must remember the past tense form of the verb. Check out this example. Jacob lost his keys. Lost is the irregular past tense form of the verb lose. This is a correct shift, and the overall sentence is formatted correctly. All right, back to our original question, and now for the solution. Sold is the simple past tense verb form of sell. This is an irregular verb tense, so you have to commit it to memory.